Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a model aircraft unboxing for you guys. I have just moved into my final year of college off campus this year, which is really nice. I've got my own little bedroom here, so it should be a really nice space to do some of these unboxings. Might even do a room tour eventually, but we've got a package here from none other than Final Approach Collectibles. As per usual, they are one of the factors that makes some of these videos possible, so absolutely go check them out. They have awesome, amazing, incredible customer service. They've got all kinds of model aircraft that you could possibly want. And the best part is that you can use code Syracuse15, that's capital S and no space, at checkout to save 15% on your orders from them. So get some awesome customer service and quick delivery, awesome variety of aircraft to choose from, all for a really good price. So once again, Final Approach Collectibles, highly recommend them. They are my go-to, and absolutely I've had amazing experiences with them countless times in the past. So let's go ahead and get these three aircraft out here and we will look at what we've got. So one of these in particular is pretty dang rare, even though it was released not terribly long ago at this point. And that is going to be the NG Models Cargojet 757-200. This is for Fort Pierce solely. If you guys have been around, that airport is supposed to be kind of like just a massive Florida hub, and it takes a lot of inspiration from Miami, and this is one of those carriers they have there. And just a really cool livery and another opportunity to pick up a cool NG Models 757, which you can never really have too many of. So, and then the next aircraft is the Level A330-200. I was kind of on and off about whether I was going to get this model for the longest time. I always really liked the livery, and I can absolutely make use of this in Fort Pierce, but I never really, it sounds really petty, but I never really cared for the name Level. It just was, I don't know. I still feel that way. It's just kind of weird to me, but I decided, you know what? If I end up regretting that decision, which I'm sure I won't, but you know, it's not like it's gonna lose its value. I can always just resell it, so, and I'd rather have it than 2 years down the line regret not getting one, right? So, and then the Air China 747-8 by NG Models. I have the Aviation 400 777-300, and I really like it, but just, you know, good opportunity to have a passenger 747-8. I really like the livery on this aircraft as well. NG 748 mold is spectacular, and just good for some variety. If I ever decide that I want to not use the 333, I can kind of, you know, I have the ability to do whatever I want. So this has a nice little plastic wrap on it. So I guess we'll just start with this one because it's the one we've had our hands on for a minute now. And we'll see what we're working with here with the NG Models Air China 748. Yes, that looks absolutely stunning. Oh my goodness. If I didn't mention, this is my first passenger 748. So I've got the Atlas Air and the UPS. And man, the passenger variant just hits different with that extended hump and all those passenger windows. Holy cow, this is really, really nice. And obviously I was expecting it to be, but you know, just from seeing pictures and everything, but to have it in person, in hand, is so incredible. Just absolutely stunning. Let's see if I can get you guys some close-ups. I won't necessarily go too in-depth and like do a full-on review of each one of these, but you know, I'll do what I can to show you some of the close-up details and everything. Got your landing gears down there, of course. Got your landing gear down there, of course. Looking good. Painted details. Yeah, this is just incredible. I mean, wow. Wowzers. Highly recommend this. So happy I got this, man. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Simply gorgeous. What more could you want? Yeah. That's amazing. That is flat out just... Man, I love the 777, but 748, oh my goodness. There's what, only like 3 or 4 carriers that fly them for passengers these days, so I figured like I gotta just get one. Like at this point, you know, oh yeah. So thrilled with that, man. That's so cool. Let's go ahead and do the level next, and we'll end with the cargo jet, kind of the grand finale, because again, that one's kind of rare nowadays. So, and I don't even necessarily know that it's rare, because it's kind of, there's not a whole lot of people that want it, but the people that do really want it, you know, so it's just more sought after by a smaller population, I guess. And again, it's not like a terribly old release either, so. And here we are. We have arrived. Or it has arrived. Looking really, really nice. Again, the livery is really cool. The black, blue, and green. Just very, very kind of unique, I guess. It is very level. I'll give him that. Oh, man. No, it's a really cool plane. Again, I'm glad I got it. It's a petty thing to choose not to get an aircraft you kind of need over, you know? Like, but, yeah, this is looking really nice. NG just kills it, man. So, registration is Echo Charlie - November Romeo Hotel. Again, level wings, which is great. So yeah, that's really, really nice. I'm glad I got it. So let's go ahead and put the box back together and set them up, and we'll get into our cargo jets. Not before we take a look at the registration on the Air China, because I forgot. So we have Bravo - 2482. So, very nice there. And now for the cargo jet 757-200. Again, NG, of course. Very happy to have this. Originally I passed because I just didn't expect Fort Pierce to really grow to what it is now. This must have actually been somewhat of a while ago, because it still has the foam, and I don't think they're still doing the foam on the 7.5s. I think that's mainly the luxury packaging or whatever that is now. So here we go. Gently bring her on out and see how we're looking. Looks absolutely stunning from the get-go. Oh wow. Yeah. I knew it would be. I knew it would be. I mean, this mold is so good. So, this was definitely a pricey one, but again, rare and sought after. I think they did the winglet one too, so. And this appears to have been a converted passenger, as you can see the window plugs, I assume is what they call them. So, Charlie - Foxtrot Kilo Alpha Juliet for this one. Beautiful cargo jet titles with the red and the black, looking really good, and the cargo door up front there with www.cargojet.com, looking very, very nice. There's that beautiful NG 757 nose that we know and love. They've done such a good job with this over the years. Yeah. Just look at that. It doesn't get better than that, man. Gorgeous. Stunning. Absolutely beautiful. I'm kind of speechless. Like, I don't really know what more I can say. I guess you have your cargo doors on here that I can try to focus on. There we go. Oh yeah. Underside, red antennas, very, very nice. Attention to detail there. Just the overall sharpness and accuracy of this mold is truly incredible. It just never fails to amaze me. So, yeah, this is so, so nice. Oh my goodness. If you can find this, if you can find any of these, definitely get them. But if you can find this one particularly, highly, highly recommend. That's if you can find it, because again, just very, very, I don't know that it's technically a rare plane. I guess just there's maybe probably less units of them were made. And the people that got them just really want them, and so they hang on to them, so they're not willing to sell them. I don't know. But yeah, so looking super awesome there. And that's it for this unboxing. 3 beautiful aircraft by NG Models. Again, from Final Approach Collectibles, highly recommend using them. They have awesome customer service, great prices, great variety of aircraft to choose from, and quick shipping. And you can use code Syracuse15 at checkout to save 15% on your orders. Again, that's Syracuse15 with a capital S and no space. So yeah, really hope you guys enjoyed today's unboxing. If you did, please consider liking the video down below and subscribing to the channel if you are new. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave me a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care.